The youngest, the boldest, and arguably the most followed traditional artist in the game right now. Sikhuluma ngobani? Sikhuluma ngoKhuzani, Mfokampongose. Stepping back in the way, 2010, this man hasn't just played the game, Candace. He's rewritten the rules from working with legends like Abu Babu Mqumeni, stepping up to finish his historic album, to building a solo career that is stacked with awards. Undeniable influence. Khuzani is just not an artist, man. This brother right here is a solid movement.
Listen, Sab, we're talking SAMAs, KZN Entertainment Awards, and Zanzi Viewers' Choice Awards. The trophy cabinet is, of course, heavy, and now a Metro FM Music Awards nomination. Khuzani joins us live in studio. A very good morning to you, King. Thank you so much for joining us on Best Mornings, and congratulations.
I like what you said. You said morning king. Yeah, I'm the king of Maskandi.
There we go.
Ngiyajabula kakhulu. I'm so glad to get this opportunity to be here in studio for the first time. So today I'm making history.
Yes.
Yes.
Well done.
So I'm so grateful for the opportunity that I've for the nomination of the Metro FM Awards for the first time.
Yeah, boy.
You see, ihlombelelo ne.
Hey, Tombele.
Ngiyabonga, siyabonga kakhulu. Uyabona makwenzeka izinto kanje kusho ukuthi I'm growing.
Yebo.
Because shooting is break my record.
Yebo.
Ngoba it's for the first time nginominatwa, first time in the studio. So first time performing at the Metro FM Music Awards on the 25 of April.
Yeah.
So qopheka imlando nje.
Umlando nje, kodwa uzojwayela wena uqopha umlando, like isesegazini and you used to it.
Yes. Uyazi na ukuthi mina ngenza izinto engaze zenziwe bezibuze nje njengoba namhlanje sikhuluma indaba enkulu yokuthi nge-25 April in KZN.
Yes.
ama Metro FM azobe efikile egalelekile kuzobe konakele kakhulu eKZN angazi ukuthi kobe kwenze njani
That's going to be a vibe.
It's going to be a vibe indeed. You just refer to yourself, of course, as the king of Maskandi, right? So tell us, what do you think has been sort of the biggest shift in taking the genre from the rural roots?
Okay, let's fix that thing. I'm not referring myself as a king. I am the king of Maskandi.
Yes! You are the king. Sorry, I stand corrected on that. My apologies. I misspoke for a second. You are the king of Maskandi. I stand corrected.
According to the lovers of our music.
100%, 100%. So tell us, what's been the biggest shift in taking Maskandi from like its rural roots to the international game and making it mainstream?
What I can say, Uti Umaskandi, Angalela. Umaskandi previously noma mhlambe ngekhathi zakudala bewubukela phansi kube ngazuthi owabaculi abadala. Once you get old you have to look for Maskandi to sing, but for now you see ukuthi even ama 2K ashaw Maskandi atop up ama streams lokho kusho likhulu. So ke thina into esiyenzile ukuthi siqhubeke la begcine khona bomgqumeni nabomjengiseni njengoba nibona namhlanje sinominatwa kuma Metro for the first time akaze kwenzeke kwi generation edlule thina siyakwenza namhlanje. So lento yenziwa ama Metro ukuthatha uMaskandi ubekela, let's hope ukuthi one day ama Metro azoba nayo i3 hours kaMaskandi. Uyabo ngoba we can't deny ukuthi uMaskandi now it's urecognized njenge genre at top because sesiyavela kuyona yonke indawo la besingaveli khona. So siyajabula ingoma zikaMaskandi ziyavela wherever you go. So lento leyo isho likhulu kakhulu.
No, that is so true. You go to the clubs, man, you're like, you know, we're playing some Maskandi songs and the way people erupt, it truly shows that people are really tapped in and people really want to celebrate with their own authentic music. We have Khuzani in studio. We're celebrating with him being nominated for our Metro FM Music Awards. Maybe you're also part of the fan base. To make my voice note, hey, ingabi sivalo ayi WhatsApp because abalandeli baKhuzani bayonke indawo. Next thing is my voice note. So please try and send them through.
So are you sure uyathemba ukuthi bakhona la?
Bakhona.
Usho kanje?
Bakhona.
Maybe one of them.
Because Igodi from all corners of the country.
Blue Nation.
Malalele Metro, Blue Nation.
All the way.
So raise your hand up. Let's see you on 060-552-7303. Kuzani's in the building. We're talking all things Metro FM Music Awards.
SABC News, independent and impartial.
In the headlines, hundreds of
Mina ngithanda ngale generation yenu futhi aningabazi.
the magistrate's court
Akukho ungabaza, niyazi ukuthi
suspended
nikuphi ezingeni.
Yeah.
As much as nihambula abantu futhi niyabathanda.
Yeah, but siyazazi sikhona. Siyazazi. Yabo and siyayithanda challenge.
If you're waking up in
Ngiyayithanda leyo nto. Like
Yeah,
for the longest of time.
Yeah.
expected to
Besikhothama kakhulu.
Hey kakhulu. Bonke la sifika khona.
Ngathi siyacela.
But now
Manje
singena la sifuna ungena khona. Yeah, bahlonipha futhi abanye abaculi beminye imikhakha.
Yes.
I must say that ukuthi they respect us. Unlike before, Mankulu Maskandi, but who's this? Now they know ukuthi is Con. And they don't undermine us. Enye into lesize kakhulu ukuthi abaculi bamaskandi bes associate namaculi bamanye ama-genre so sajwayeleka kalula yabo.
Best news with
So enye into esize kakhulu.
only on Best Mornings. Best Sports with Owen Henny.
into ebalulekile leyo.
Yeah.
Well, let's get you updated on last night's
Yeah,
football
what's up?
action. Osmane Dembele scored twice as Paris Saint-Germain beat Liverpool 2-0 at Anfield, sealing a 4-0 aggregate win to reach the Champions